All right, simplifying fractions, your favorite and mine. So when you're simplifying a fraction, you want to get it down to its smallest possible number. So there's two ways to do it. The first way is, remember that you make the factor tree. So make a factor tree for 18, which is 6 and 3, and then 3 and 2, and then 24. Which is not the right thing to do. Hold on. Okay. Which is 6 and 4, 2 and 2, and 3 and 2. And then you just write the fraction out with just your prime numbers or your number sentence. It's kind of like when we did greatest common factor. 3 times 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, and then you just cross out matches. This is why the line's there, is that you can't cross the line. So you just cross out your matches. And then whatever you're left with, so you're left with these two, so you have to multiply. So you do 2 times 2, which is 4. So your simplest fraction is 3 over 4. The other way you can do it is that you would say, what do 18 and 24 have in common that you can divide by? I can divide them both by 3, which would be 6 over 8. But you have to ask yourself, is there anything else they have in common? And they both have 2 in common. So you divide them both by 2, which equals 3 over 4. All right, let's try another one. I'm going to go with 18 over 36. Again, I make my factor trees. 18 is 9 and 2, and 3 and 3. Times 3 times 2, and then 36 would be 6 and 6. Again, it doesn't matter what you put. You could have put 12 and 3. You could have put 9 and 4. So we have 3 times 2 times 3 times 2. Cross out your matches. Okay. So now we have a slight problem. Up at the top, we have no other numbers left. When we have no other numbers left, the answer is always 1. And that'll be 1 over 2. Again, I can do it the other way, where I say, what can I divide both of them by? I can divide them both by 9. But then I have to say, okay, what else can I do? Divide by 2. Again, you're using whatever one works for you.